Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a couple minutes and let you know how to upload the affirmation page and all future assignments. If you have taken classes with us at Francis Marion, or if you're familiar with Blackboard from maybe another university, you don't need to watch this video. This is just for those of you who are new or who might not know exactly kind of what all the icons mean on Blackboard, and then how to submit an assignment. All right, so let me go ahead and show you. So hopefully you'll watch this after you watch the other videos where I say getting started, start here. So under that tab, getting started, syllabus, intro, assignment, etc. So you have the syllabus and the syllabus review videos and the calendar, okay? And then I also just added just some additional information that I forgot to put in the syllabus and had already done the videos and didn't want to have to redo the videos all over again. So yes, that was me being lazy, just adding some additional information here. But I also have, under the Getting Started tab, again, there's a folder that says Getting Started. Pay attention to every item in this folder as your first assignment is here. So your first assignment is the affirmation page, okay? This is the most important thing, at the item at the beginning of the semester. Otherwise, you will be dropped from the course, and we do not want that to happen. So again, if you know how to submit this affirmation page and any other assignment, feel free to stop watching if you haven't already done so. But if you are new, let me just show you quickly how to submit your assignments. So this icon means it's an assignment, okay? You see it's a piece of paper, a little pencil, a little ruler. That means it's an assignment. I'm gonna show you some tabs over here on this side that are not open for you. The dates are not gonna make any sense. Don't worry about what I'm gonna show you. I just wanna show you some of the icons and what they mean, okay? So some, excuse me, if you see an icon like this, with like a check mark and, or excuse me, an X and a check mark, that means it's an assessment, a quiz, a final exam, or, you know, an exam, a quiz, something like that. If you see an icon like this, kind of looks like a movie screen, right? That means it is a recording. And just so you know, I typically use Screencast-O-Matic to do my recordings. Sometimes, depending on my computer, I also use, was it Google Screencastify. But same icon, doesn't matter. Okay, so it looks like that. And then again, here's your little, and don't worry about what these words that you're seeing here. We're not doing lesson plans in this class. This is when it was for Education 762. I told you how this class is now split into two, but I just wanted to show you the icons. So don't pay attention to these words, okay? So again, assignment, video, this is a folder. So if you click on this folder, it will take you to some other icons. This means it's a web page, or excuse me, a web link. If you click here, it'll take you right to, let me just see if it does. So it'll take you right to where I wanted it to take you. Okay. And again, don't worry about the words you're seeing. Just look at the pictures. Again, here's another assignment. Here's a web link, and here's another assignment. Okay. I think that's probably enough to show you all. I don't think there are any other ones that I didn't get. Nope, I think that's about it. Okay, so let me go back to, you know, this class. So again, don't pay attention to what I just showed you, the words. I wanted you just to see the icons, okay? All right, so let's get back to this getting started. So if you go here to the affirmation page, okay, here's your little icon, right? So we know that means it's an assignment. So when you want to access the assignment, you can get to it two ways. You can click right here where it says affirmation page .docx, or whatever the assignment is called. They will all be, I believe, docx's. I don't know if that's right. But so you can either click here to get to the assignment. Okay, let me show you. Oh, I do this every time, y'all. Every single time. My the way I have my screen set up, the timer for my video is over here on the corner, and the documents that I pull up are right underneath the timer. I do that every single time. All right, so let me show you the affirmation document. All right, so what you're going to do, if this comes up, you know, if you need to enable editing, just enable editing. Okay, you're going to type your name, and you should have one of these forms for all of your courses here at FMU. We are all supposed to require them. I know sometimes people forget, but hopefully you will see this in your other courses as well. So you're going to type your name. You're going to type this semester. This semester is fall, right? So let me go ahead. I'll type my name. Okay, so we're in fall 21, and this course, I'm going to say 2021. This course is Education 759, right? So then you're going to read these little bullet points, and all you need to do is just initial by all the bullet points, okay? So initial, do, go all the way down the list, do. All right, then when you get to the bottom, there are a couple ways you can handle this form. I try to make it as easy as possible for all of you. I know not everyone has easy access to a printer or a scanner or a copier. I understand that, especially if you're in a classroom or in a school. I know you might have a limit on how many copies you can make, how many things you can print out. You might have to pay to print. I don't want you to have to do that, all right? So there are a couple options. Again, you are certainly welcome to print this one page out if you want, and then, fill it out by hand, sign it, print your name, and put the date, and then scan it back in. You can take a picture of it and upload it, whatever works, and I'll show you where you go to upload in just a second. Or you can certainly just fill it out right here online as a Word document. You can, print your name or type, I should say. Just know that this, your name and your initials here, that will kind of count as your signature. If you happen to have your signature saved somewhere online, your electronic signature, you can go ahead and add that. And I have it somewhere on my computer, but it always ends up taking too long to find. So I'm not going to show you that. So I'm just going to say, oh, I don't have it. I'm just going to do my initials. That will count as your signature, right? So in case there's any confusion, or, oh, I never saw the syllabus, oh, I never sent in the form. Well, yes, if by signing or initialing or typing your name here, that counts as your signature. All right, so I'm going to show you what to do next. So then you're going to save it. Okay, save it wherever you want. This is up to you. I won't see it. I'm just going to save it to my flash drive right for this course, so I know what prize affirmation page, right? So I can find it to show you the next part, because that's what usually happens is I save it somewhere and can never remember where I saved it. All right, so I'm going to get out of this. Okay, so I'm going to click on the little X over here. That's for a different class. Oh, no, that is y'all. So then I'm going to come back here. So right here, again, by your little icon, you'll see it says Affirmation Page, and when you hover over it, this line shows up, all right? So that means that's where you go to submit your assignment. And remember a second ago, I said you can access the assignment two ways, right? And I showed you one. One way is to click here. The other way is to click right here, acting like you're going to submit your assignment. Click it, okay, just left click, and it's linked right here, all right? So if you don't want to, click on the other place where I showed you, just come right here, click it, and it'll open up the exact same thing, okay? So what you're going to do then is you will go here, assignment submission. So what you're going to do, you're going to browse. It does make it easier for me for all your assignments, if you save them as a Word document and then upload them, it tends to get a little confusing if you just type your stuff here in, if you just go in here and write like a whole big long blah, 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 blah. It's easier, and it's easier for grade. It's easier for me to grade, which means that will work to your benefit if you just save your documents and then go here. So you're going to go to Browse Local Files. Okay, so I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to go to, that's not the right class. All right, so I'm going to go to 759. That's you guys. And then I'm going to look for my name, and there it is, Fry's Affirmation Page. You're going to click on that. You're going to open it, and this is the same for all your assignments. This is what you'll do, right? Okay, so you're going to see it. Okay, here it is, Fry's Affirmation Page, DocX. I do need you to submit in Word. I don't always grade. I do have a Mac and a PC. I know people are very polarized on that topic, but I tend to grade more on my PC. My computer in my office is also a PC, so I do need you to upload Word documents, okay, that are compatible with PCs. All right, so then you see here it's uploaded. Here it is. It's linked. And then you're going to come down. where you see, I have to move my screen a little bit. There's a button right here that says submit. So all you're going to do, you would click submit. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what'll happen if I submit my own, actually. Yeah, not saved because I'm not a student in the class. But for you all, that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to attach here, browse local files. You'll see it linked, and then you will come down here to click the green button, submit. All right, so that is how, I know this is a little longer than I promised at the beginning, sorry, but I just want to make sure I got everything. So that is how you will submit any, any future assignments. Let me go back and show you one thing. Again, do not pay attention to the words that I'm going to show you. Just pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, so lesson plan, again, we're not doing that this semester. This is another example from last semester. So again, you can access the assignment here. You can access it, right? Blank lesson plan template document. Okay, so you can access it there, or or you can go right into where it says, where the little line shows up. You can click right there, and then again, you can access it right there. Okay, so again, same thing. You will, save, do your lesson plan. So these are all Word documents, so you can just type right into them. Then you save it. You come into Browse Local Files, find your document, and then submit. All right, so that is basically how to submit your assignments. So again, the syllabus, the calendar, syllabus review videos are right there. Some additional information right there, excuse me. And then here's where your affirmation page assignment is. And then this is where the video will be. This is an old video, so I will update it with this video right here. All right, hopefully that clears up how to submit your affirmation page and your other assignments. And your affirmation page, it is due by Friday, September 3rd. All right, have a great start to the semester.